Let's continue and visit one of the most congested regions in space, the geostationary ring. This is the only orbit on which satellites move synchronously with Earth, an ideal choice for meteorological and telecom satellites. The average distance between two objects here is only 190 kilometers. Defunct spacecraft in geostationary orbit can drift and endanger satellites in their vicinity. This is why experts recommend to retire these objects at least 300 kilometers higher to a so-called graveyard orbit. With a successful lift, they should no longer interfere with the geostationary orbit. But can this be guaranteed for all times? Aging satellites are known to release debris, and explosion can occur due to residual energy sources. The resulting fragments can be thrown back and cross the geostationary orbit. The release of residual energy, once the nominal mission is completed, is therefore fundamental. Launcher stages used to deliver spacecraft into the geostationary ring often remain on their transfer orbit and could interfere with active missions. Consequently, debris mitigation guidelines foresee that these stages should be maneuvered out of the geostationary ring and other frequently used regions. Further along, we pass through the region used by constellations for satellite navigation. Like layers of an onion, 4 different constellations make use of 4 different altitudes. Inside these layers, we also find defunct satellites and upper stages. Stable graveyard orbits are difficult to find here. Fortunately, no explosive breakups have taken place so far. As we move even closer to Earth, we see that the number of objects around us is growing. This is the region of the low Earth orbits. 2/3 of all large man-made objects are concentrated here. About 600 active satellites provide us with science and Earth data and telecommunications. They are surrounded by thousands of defunct satellites, rocket stages, and fragments. Plus, this area is facing a surge in spaceflight activity. Smaller and more cost-effective satellites are increasingly launched to low Earth orbit.